And hello there, good evening to you. It is Thursday, September 1st, first of the month of September, around 4:20 in the afternoon here. I am Weather Ranger meteorologist Mike Griffith, and we're going to be talking a little bit more formally here about this rather than the live video just before this on the Hermine. I have to call it Hermine, maybe. Not sure how it goes. But right now, this is it in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's going to be making landfall here in Florida tonight. More than likely, like a more of a northeast start to turn type of path here as it exits some, and then offshore here, Georgia around maybe Hilton Head, and this system is throwing a lot of cloud cover over top of the southeast right now. In fact, even here in South Charlotte, it's actually looking more like it's getting cloudy from this system starting to have an effect on us here. Looking right now at the northern hemisphere, here's the west coast of Africa right here. Here we are on the east coast. Here is Hermine, and here goes these hurricane right now that just brushed by the south of Hawaii, the big island right there in Hawaii, and here comes another hurricane on its heels right behind it. So it's not just single but double threat for those folks out there in Hawaii. So pay attention to the weather if you're heading to Hawaii, or if you are living in Hawaii right now. I'm sure you are after this close call right here, as it looks like it just brushed the big island of Hawaii. Maybe there is some impacts there. We're zoomed way out here, so this will be a good way to check. And we're watching this wave over here off the west coast of Africa as it starts to show a little bit of signs of some thunderstorms being able to survive the dust and dry air, but pretty much this system's probably going to weaken. Here's another weak tropical wave just off the east coast of the Lesser Antilles right here, the islands, as this is probably not going to turn into much either. So let's take a look now at the long-range GFS, and it doesn't really have any type of major waves coming across the Atlantic anytime between now and the 9th. I mean, there goes some moisture right there in a weak wave through the 8th and 9th, but it's just recurring, and there's no huge lows or anything like that being thrown off the coast of West Africa. There is just random weak waves that come off of here, but they're not able to survive the shear and the dry air. So we can look at the wind shear right here with this system, and it's just insane the amount of shear coming over through the South Atlantic along the intertropical convergence zone, dipping into the intertropical convergence zone, and it just continues almost like a mini jet stream into North Africa. But that does cause shear situations to the south of that, especially with these waves trying to get going. They just get sheared off. So hopefully that'll be the case for the remainder of the season. And we're going to take a look at some climate outlooks here in a little bit, so stay with me here on my channel, and feel free to share these and comment below, and let me know what your thoughts are on this. Charlotte Weather Ranger meteorologist. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.